Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 6 holding screws on the airbox flange. Remove the hose, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. Using multi-grip pliers, squeeze the 2 edges of the hose clamp to free it from its holding. Then slide it towards the airflow meter. You can now separate the inlet conduit. Remove the flange and place it to one side so it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. Take out the air filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the new air filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. Put the flange back on. Using multi-grip pliers, put the air inlet conduit back, then the hose clamp. These clips are particularly hard to put back on. Tip: take hold of the clip with the pliers and insert 2 screwdrivers to increase the diameter. Then you can retake hold of the clip and compress it completely. Rescrew the 6 holding screws. Reconnect the hose. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.